Welcome to the Honors Bachelor of Behavioral Psychology program, more commonly known as the B-Psych program. My name is Laura Campbell, and I'm a professor and coordinator in the program, and I'm going to walk you through some brief information about what our program has to offer so you can make a determination as to whether or not this program is right for you. Our program is a 4-year honors bachelor degree. So it is a degree that you would find at a university in that we offer degree level curriculum. However, what's unique about our degree is that we offer over 1,100 hours of practical, hands-on clinical experience across 3 different settings. So in the second year of the program, all of our students do a school-based placement. And in the third and fourth years of the program, our students do clinical-based placements where they're working with a client population at a clinical agency. Our faculty have a diverse background with varied clinical experience, and many are currently engaged in both clinical work and applied research projects. And so our faculty are bringing with them to the classroom relevant current experience that they're sharing with our students. St. Lawrence College offers small class sizes. We have some beautiful new campus facilities such as new cafeteria services, new gym, new conference space, and lots of really bright new study space for students. Kingston is situated on the beautiful St. Lawrence River and Lake Ontario, and our downtown core offers robust cultural, diverse experiences. So to highlight some of our alumni, so our alumni do go on and do some pretty amazing things both within our community and outside of our community. So to highlight a couple of our students, we have Dr. Jordan Belisle. He is a professor at the Missouri State University, and so he pursued a master's degree in applied behavior analysis and a doctoral degree in applied behavior analysis after graduating from the B-Psych program, and he's well on his way to becoming a tenured professor at Missouri State. Lisa Lynch is a board-certified behavior analyst at the Hastings Prince Edward District School Board. Justin Tudor Price is an intensive counseling therapist at Children's Mental Health Leeds in Grenville. And Lauren McIver is a behavioral technologist project officer at Correctional Services Canada. So from this snippet here, you can see that our graduates do go on and do a variety of different things across a variety of client populations and a variety of clinical settings. And so the opportunities for you as a graduate are really quite varied and really quite diverse, which is super exciting. So I'd love to hear from you. As I said, my name is Laura. I'm a professor and coordinator for years 1 and 2 in the program. And the best way to reach me is through email at lacampbell@sl.on.ca. So if you have any specific questions about the program, I'm happy to address them. Thanks so much for coming to check out the B-Psych program. We look forward to hearing from you and hopefully see some of you in the fall.